Mary's winter vacation. Introduction. Winter is my favorite season due to a few special reasons. This season comes with cold and freshness for me. I feel really comfortable at that time. The winter vacation is also another thing that I love about this season. Though this is not a long vacation, I enjoy a lot with my friends, family, and cousins. We used to make a family trip, family reunion at this time. Christmas and New Year celebration. The Christmas and New Year celebration is one of the most important parts of winter vacation. These two major festivals happen on vacation time. It becomes a great opportunity for everyone to get together and enjoy a lot. In the last vacation, we celebrated Christmas and New Year's Eve in one of my uncle's houses. We all cousins get together there and had a really great time. We cousins don't have enough opportunity to meet often, that's why the vacations are like blessings to us. When we all get together, we spend real quality time. Grandparent stories. My grandpa and grandma are the most amazing people. They are still so strong and we love spending time with them. Whenever we visit them, they shared so many stories with us. I love ghost stories especially. Grandma knows lots of scary ghost stories. We sat together at night and hear her stories. I never feel bored spending time with my grandparents and my cousins. They are really awesome. Family time. Spending time with family is important. But everyone is busy nowadays, that's why we need to find vacations and other holidays to meet and greet. In last winter vacation, I got an opportunity to meet with my uncles, aunties, and cousins. I didn't want to waste that chance. I told my father and he was agreed with me. We finally decided to spend the vacation in Uncle's house. The whole big family came into one place and had so much fun together. I loved the whole time that we spent together. Family is a really important part of our life. Conclusion. Overall, that was an amazing vacation for me. I won't forget that vacation ever in my life. I wish to spend that type of time with my cousins and the whole family. I love winter and winter vacation a lot. At that time, I can forget everything about my studies and all. John's winter vacation. I love winter vacation a lot. There are so many reasons behind this. The biggest reason is I find so much relief and refreshment from my boring and busy life. There is a really tight school schedule that I need to follow. That's why I don't have enough time to spend with my cousins or grandma. Winter vacation let me have some extra time and enjoy with the entire family. Here, I am going to share my experience of the last vacation that I have finished a couple of weeks ago. That was amazing and unforgettable. Exam preparation. I have to prepare for my upcoming final exam. That's why I made a study routine, took a few books with me. That routine helped me complete the syllabus and I was pretty much succeeding to follow the routine during the vacation. The whole credit goes to my mom. She was really strict about my study. Family trip. In the last vacation, our whole family went for a family trip. My uncles, cousins, aunties, and grandma came to our house. We spent 2 days together. And then we leave for a family trip. Our destination was about 300 kilometers away from our house. My father booked a resort for us. We reached there with our own car and entered into the resort. The resort was amazing. The natural view that I love most. It was near a big tea estate. A few minutes walking distances there is a beautiful hilly river. The place was like a dream to me. I was really exciting. There were some amazing little family events. We stayed there for 2 days. We had a barbecue party on the final night together. The resort manages everything for us. Grandma came out with us. We drive a little away from the resort. We did a little picnic on our own. That was amazing. We took a camera, food with us. We walked into the small river and get wet. The river was very tiny, but the water was really cold and clean. Hilly rivers are full of rocks that I love most. The rocks are really beautiful and there were lots of colorful rocks. Meeting cousins. Meeting with my cousins was the most important part of the vacation. We all are students and need to stay the busy whole year. We don't get enough opportunity to meet each other. This winter vacation let us be everyone together. I think my cousins are my best friends. We are lots of cousins and pretty much at the same age. We love spending time together. On this vacation, when we were staying in a resort, we went for a picnic our own. That was an impressive experience for me. We all were excited. Conclusion. Vacation was really amazing that I won't forget ever in my life. Especially the family trip was the most interesting part of the vacation. Our entire family never enjoyed that much together ever. I wish to spend every vacation like this. Carla's winter vacation. Winter vacation comes with so much excitement and relief for me. I get stuck in this time because of heavy study pressure. This vacation let me spend some quality time and get refreshed. Last year, I think I spent the most amazing winter vacation ever in my life. Here I am going to share everything in detail. Though this time is pretty tough as a student, besides enjoying the vacation we need to prepare for our examination. That's why I used to maintain a really tight routine to keep my study going on. So many festivals. This vacation has so many festivals. Especially Christmas and New Year Eve. I was spending the last vacation in my grandparent place. They were living a couple of miles away from the city. That's a very beautiful place. I and my cousins love to go there and spend time with our grandparents. So to celebrate Christmas, we went there. I did a lot of shopping. I bought a gift for everyone. I was excited about meeting with all of my cousins. They joined us on the same day. I give all the gifts and got a few gifts too. In the Christmas day, we wear a different beautiful outfit and enjoyed a lot. End of the celebration, we spent time with our grandparents. They love us a lot. Whenever we meet them, they shared so many interesting stories with us. This time, they did share. I enjoyed a lot. Winter morning. Winter mornings are very special there. We woke up very early in the morning. And then we went for a morning walk. There are so many beautiful gardens, it's amazing to walk there. My mom and aunties were busy cooking several types of food in the morning. Food is one of the most interesting things in the vacation. We all know winter is the best for fresh vegetables and so many fruits. The place was near the countryside, and that's why that was easy for us to collect fresh vegetables. Besides these, they used to make so many types of bitters, and we drink date juice every morning. Conclusion. After spending that amazing time, I came back to the house last week. I tried my best to maintain my study routine in that period, and it was succeeded to do that. Mike's winter vacation. Winter vacation is not that long or full of fun because of a few problems. But after all, it's a vacation that comes with so much excitement. In my tight school schedule, I feel really bored and I don't get enough time to meet my cousins. Winter vacation gives an opportunity every year to spend some quality time with them. Sometimes I went to their place and sometimes they come. This year, I visited their place. That was a fun moment. We enjoyed a lot. We are lots of cousins. When we meet together, we enjoy a lot. Exam preparation. I had my final examination ahead. So during the vacation time, I needed to prepare for the exam. That was really tough because it was hard to concentrate. But my mother helped me make a really interesting daily routine. I followed that routine and was able to complete and revise my syllabus within a limited time. Thanks to Mom, she has been amazing in this vacation. Spend time with family and cousins. Spend time with family and cousins. Including study pressure, I had a great time with the whole family. It's hard for me to spend that type of time with them because of my tight school schedule. I need to attend school daily and have to maintain a hard routine. That's why your cousins can't meet often. Winter vacation gives us the opportunity to spend time together. In my last vacation, I went to my uncle's place and I have 3 cousins there. They were really happy to see me. My parents were also having a good time with my uncle and auntie. We spent lots of time with Grandma. She was sharing lots of interesting stories. Conclusion. That was an amazing and one of the best winter vacations in my life. I was really excited all the time. How do you spend your winter vacations? Share with us.